Hi and welcome to another video of SpaceX Update. In this episode, I am gonna give updates on Booster 7. We are going to take a look at the first plants grown in lunar soil, the first image of the black hole. And finally, we will see an update on India's human spaceflight program. Before we start the video, if you haven't done so, I will be extremely happy if you hit the subscribe button for the latest space-related news. Okay, let's jump into the video. After back-to-back successful cryogenic tests, this morning, Booster 7 was lifted off from the orbital launch mount. The repaired booster could potentially be rolled back to the production site for Raptor installation. According to Elon Musk's timeline, Raptor installation on the booster could be finished within a few weeks and Booster 7 will be out on the launch pad again for further integrated engine testing. Also keep in mind that we are in the final step and a few weeks away from FAA's announcement of its programmatic environmental assessment results, which is now expected on May 29. If approved, SpaceX will aim to launch its first orbital Starship in June or July, as Musk said. For the first time, scientists have grown plants in lunar soil. How cool is that? This experiment was conducted using the lunar regolith brought to Earth during the Apollo program 50 years ago. In March, NASA had opened and started studying the last few unopened Apollo moon samples. This is a huge milestone toward the establishment of a sustainable base on the lunar surface for deep space exploration. Have you ever wondered what a black hole looks like? Well, you don't have to wonder anymore. NASA has released the first processed image of a supermassive black hole that lies at the center of our galaxy. The image was taken by the Event Horizon Telescope, which is a joint venture of international collaboration comprising several telescopes studying the black hole. Our own black hole named Sagittarius A star that lies at the center of the Milky Way is about 27,000 light-years away from the Earth, and it appears to us to have about the same size in the sky as a donut on the moon. Another country that is pushing its envelope towards a successful human spaceflight program is India. The Indian Space Agency, ISRO, successfully conducted a static fire test of its human-rated solid rocket booster HS-200. India is aiming to launch its first ever crewed mission to low Earth orbit, Gaganyaan, in 2023. As part of the mission, an uncrewed test flight is scheduled for later this year. The Gaganyaan mission will be launched on India's most powerful rocket, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III, also referred to as the Launch Vehicle Mark III. It is a three-stage medium-lift launch vehicle developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation. I wish everything would go as planned for this mission. Huge congratulations to the Indian Space Agency for its efforts toward the human space exploration program, with a budget less than a tenth of NASA's annual budget. That is it for this video. See you next time again with more updates from the world of space. Godspeed and take care.